I'm delighted to be here at Global CSR Summit in Yogyakarta, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank the organizer for inviting Asian Agri. We are an established plantation company, started 35 years ago in 1979. Currently, our total employee strength is 25,000 people, and we are managing 100,000 hectares of our own plantation called INTI, plus 60,000 hectares of our plasma smallholder plantations, operating in 3 provinces in North Sumatra, Riau, and Jambi, with a total production capacities of 1 million metric tons of CPO, consisting of 50% supplies from our own plantations, 25% supplies from our plasma smallholders, and another 25% from our independent growers. By end of this year, all our operations will be fully certified by 3 international and Indonesia standards on sustainability: ICC, RSPO, and ISPO. In 1980s, Indonesia faced several major social challenges, mainly due to overpopulation in Java Island. Between 1979 and 1984, 500,000 families, almost 2.5 million people, were moved from densely populated Java to less densely populated islands of Sumatra, Kalimantan, and Papua. The program was also intended to alleviate poverty by providing land and new opportunities to generate income for poor settlers. At the same time, Indonesian leaders had a vision that agricultural sectors, among others, oil palm plantations, would play a major and critical role in the development of its economies and people. The idea was to integrate a more established plantations operations, including its processing facilities and infrastructures, with people's plantations or smallholders, called Piltrans. In Indonesia, it will be Perkebunan Inti Rakyat Transmigrasi. The Piltrans programs were seen as a long-term commitment between plantations companies and the transmigrated communities. They were only limited companies willing to adopt the programs. Asian Agri came forward and became one of the pioneers in developing private companies' partnership with plasma farmers. From 2 hectares, land given by the government to the transmigrated communities, Asian Agri assisted these people from initial phase of development the land into oil palm plantations, and in the process gave the smallholders knowledge and skill in cultivating and managing the plantations. Asian Agri also became the catalyst to support its plasma smallholders to get financial support from the banks. After almost 4 years of immersion phase under Asian Agri, the developed and matured plantation were handed over to plasma smallholders. FFB, or product from oil palm trees, fresh fruit bunch, harvested and sold to Asian Agri processing units located nearby, both INTI and plasma plantations. FFB uptake is guaranteed. FFB selling price is set by a committee consisting of governments, set weekly, involving smallholders, cooperatives, and representatives and companies. Ladies and gentlemen, inbuilt into our founders' belief and visions, Mr. Sukanto Tanoto, that any businesses could only work sustainably if it is good for the communities. If it is good for the country, then definitely it will be good for the company. This philosophy is embedded into all our operations at Asian Agri. Today, after 27 years of continuous partnership with our plasma smallholders, Asian Agri is working hand in hand with 29,000 smallholders families, representing 60,000 hectares of plasma planted land. These hectares contribute 40% of total Asian Agri managed planted area. This high percentage positions Asian Agri as one of the plantations company in palm oil industry with a working and largest partnership with smallholders. So what are the key success factors? It started from day one. It started from planting. Asian Agri worked with our plasma smallholders from very initial phase of development by selecting and providing the best quality seeds and planting or agronomic field practices. At the same time, the plasma smallholders were involved in cultivating and managing the plantations from immature phase after plantings to gain knowledge and skill. Asian Agri set up a smallholder management team with a dedicated, trained and experienced planters to support plasma smallholders' day-to-day operations, including R&D support. The dedicated team of smallholders management will engage plasma smallholders daily, providing technical and non-technical support and assistances. Ladies and gentlemen, the key success factors mentioned are indeed critical to the continuous and successful partnership with our plasma smallholders. Values created from the partnership are shared continuously, enabling both the companies and the smallholders to work towards a common goal of productive and quality plantation operations. It is important to note that Asian Agri business model is developed with 50% reliance on FFB supply from smallholders plantations. This partnership form an integral part of our business strategy. A working and strong partnership is key to our sustainability. Looking back 27 years from our current positions, we are extremely proud to acknowledge that we have established and nurtured a long-term successful partnership with plasma smallholders. 29,000 plasma smallholders families are impacted positively by the partnership. The success has enabled the plasma families access to better and higher education for their children. Asian Agri Inti and plasma smallholders plantations are now fully ICC certified since 2013 and 2014 respectively. Currently, we are working towards full certification on RSPO and ISPO by end of 2015. We have also assisted in the formation of 72 cooperatives since the inception of the partnership. Some of these cooperatives have been awarded with National Standard Awards. The cooperative remains one of the driving force of the success of this long-term partnership. The income of the Asian Agri plasma smallholders is significantly higher compared to regional wage or GDPs per capita. However, I would like to point out the partnership is not necessarily about economics or financial benefits, but more importantly, about empowering then the transmigrated farmers to live a better and dignified life out of poverty. Above all, the partnership has transformed them to be a proud members of our society. And we believe we can do much more. Today, we have 11 million hectares of planted palm oil plantations. 42% of that 11 million hectares, or 4.5 million hectares, belongs to smallholders and independent growers. 90% of 4.5 million hectares belongs to independent growers. Unlike smallholders, most of these independent growers do not have any assistance nor any form of partnership. The productivities and quality of their plantations generally poor. Our next social investment commitment is to reach out to many more independent growers operating surrounding our plantations. In 2011, Asian Agri launched an initiative called Petani Swadaya Program to partner with these independent farmers. To date, we have started to work with 11,000 hectares of Petani Swadaya plantations. By leveraging our plasma experience, we have committed in engaging 60,000 hectares of Petani Swadaya plantations by 2020. With 27 years of experiences, Asian Agri believes that smallholders partnership is a viable and proven business model for sustainability and growth. Asian Agri currently focuses on second-generation plasma smallholders replanting programs with much superior seeds and better agronomy practices starting this year. By then, end of December 2015, we will be one of the largest certified CPO producers. Leveraging on our plasma experiences and success stories, we will embrace our independent growers of Petani Swadaya into our plasma smallholder scheme so that independent smallholders will achieve higher and sustainable production from better agronomic practices. Asian Agri Plasma Smallholder Programs is our social investment and commitments to our society, in this case, to the communities living surrounding our operations. The success of this Plasma Smallholder Program is key to our business sustainability and growth. The programs forms an integral part to our business strategies.